Hey Queens, welcome back to Awakened Queen channel. Today we will talk about how to make yourself the main character of your life. You are the author of your life. You hold the pen. Every decision, every choice, every moment is a stroke on the canvas of your existence. The power to shape your destiny lies within your hands, and the story you write is uniquely yours. Write a story that is bold and beautiful, a story that is uniquely yours. Embrace the adventures, the challenges, and the triumphs. Let your narrative be filled with vibrant colors, rich textures, and profound experiences. Each chapter is an opportunity to explore new horizons and to grow. For too long, women have been relegated to the sidelines. History is filled with stories where women were mere spectators in their own lives, their voices silenced, their dreams deferred. But the tides are changing, and the time has come for a new narrative. We have been taught to put others first, to dim our light so that others may shine. But no more. It is not selfish to prioritize your own happiness and well-being. It is essential. When you shine, you illuminate the path for others to follow. Your light is a beacon of hope and inspiration. It is time for women to step into the spotlight and claim their rightful place as the main characters of their own lives. Stand tall, walk with confidence, and let your presence be felt. The world needs your voice, your vision, and your unique perspective. This is not about selfishness. It is about self-love. It is about nurturing your soul, honoring your dreams, and taking care of your mental and emotional well-being. Self-love is the foundation upon which you build a life of fulfillment and joy. It is about recognizing your worth and embracing your power. You are capable, you are strong, and you are deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Stand in your power and let the world see the incredible person you are. It is about living a life that is true to you, a life that you design and define. Follow your passions, pursue your dreams, and create a life that reflects your values and aspirations. Your story is your own, and it is a masterpiece in the making. Society often tells women what they should be: wives, mothers, caregivers. From a young age, girls are often surrounded by images and narratives that define their roles within the family and community. These roles are deeply ingrained in cultural traditions and societal norms, making it challenging to envision a life outside these expectations. We are expected to be selfless, nurturing, and always put the needs of others before our own. This expectation is not just a suggestion. It is often enforced through subtle cues and overt demands. The idea of self-sacrifice is glorified, and women who deviate from this path may face criticism or ostracism. Think about the messages you received growing up. Were you given dolls and kitchen sets, or were you encouraged to explore science kits and sports equipment? The toys and activities we are exposed to as children can significantly influence our interests and aspirations. Were you encouraged to be bold and ambitious, or were you subtly guided towards more appropriate feminine pursuits? The encouragement to be assertive and ambitious is often reserved for boys, while girls are taught to be polite, accommodating, and to avoid making waves. Or were you taught to be quiet and accommodating? These lessons are often not explicitly stated, but are learned through observation and experience. Watching how adults interact and the roles they play can reinforce these expectations. These messages, often subtle and unspoken, can shape our beliefs about ourselves and what we are capable of. They can create an internal conflict between our desires and the roles we feel we must fulfill. This internal struggle can lead to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. These expectations can feel like a heavy weight on our shoulders. The pressure to conform can be overwhelming, leading to stress and burnout. The constant balancing act of meeting others' needs while neglecting our own can take a toll on our mental and physical health. They can hold us back from pursuing our dreams and living our lives to the fullest. The fear of judgment and failure can prevent us from taking risks and exploring new opportunities. We may find ourselves stuck in a cycle of unfulfilled potential, always wondering what could have been. But it is time to break free from these limiting beliefs. We must recognize the power we have to redefine our roles and challenge the status quo. By embracing our strengths and pursuing our passions, we can create a new narrative for ourselves and future generations. It's time to challenge the status quo. Together, we can build a world where women are free to be whoever they want to be, without the weight of societal expectations holding them back. Let us support and uplift each other as we embark on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. What are your passions? Have you ever taken a moment to truly reflect on what sets your soul on fire? Sometimes, in the hustle and bustle of daily life, we forget to ask ourselves these fundamental questions. But it's these very questions that can lead us to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. What makes your heart sing? Is it the rhythm of a dance, the melody of a song, or perhaps the quiet moments of creativity? These are the activities that bring us joy and remind us of our true selves. They are the whispers of our soul, guiding us towards our true calling. What did you dream of doing when you were a child? Those innocent dreams were pure and unfiltered by the world's expectations. They were a reflection of our deepest desires and passions. Reconnecting with those childhood dreams can provide valuable insights into what we truly want in life. These are the questions that can guide you back to yourself. In the stillness of meditation or the quiet reflection of journaling, we can rediscover our true passions and dreams. It's in these moments of introspection that we can find clarity and direction. Don't be afraid to dream big. The world is full of endless possibilities, and your dreams are the roadmap to your future. Whether it's standing on top of a mountain or planning a new adventure, let your dreams guide you to new heights. Don't let anyone tell you that your dreams are too big or too bold. Your dreams are valid. Your dreams are important. Every great achievement started as a dream, and with determination and perseverance, you can turn your dreams into reality. Your dreams are worth pursuing. Write down your dreams. Create a vision board. These simple actions can help you visualize your goals and keep you motivated. They serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Talk about your aspirations with people who support you. Surround yourself with a community that believes in your dreams and encourages you to pursue them. Their support can provide the strength and motivation you need to keep going. The more you focus on your dreams, the clearer the path to achieving them will become. Stay committed, stay focused, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to making your dreams a reality. Speaking your truth is a powerful act of self-love. It is about honoring your thoughts, feelings, and needs. It is about setting boundaries and saying no to things that do not serve you. Start small. Share your opinion with a trusted friend. Speak up in a meeting at work. The more you use your voice, the stronger it will become. Remember, your voice matters. Your perspective is valuable. The world needs to hear what you have to say. You don't have to make drastic changes overnight. Start with small, manageable steps. Set aside time for yourself each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Read a book. Take a walk in nature. Listen to your favorite music. These small acts of self-care can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Remember, you are a work in progress. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Self-care is not selfish. It is essential. When you take care of yourself, you are better equipped to take care of others. You have more energy, more patience, and more love to give. Make self-care a priority in your life. Schedule it into your day just like you would any other important appointment. This is your time to recharge, rejuvenate, and reconnect with yourself. Remember, you deserve to be taken care of. You are worthy of love and kindness, especially from yourself. Surround yourself with people who support you, encourage you, and believe in you. These are the people who will lift you up and cheer you on as you pursue your dreams. Distance yourself from people who are negative, critical, or draining. You don't need that kind of energy in your life. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. You are stronger than you think. You have overcome challenges and adversity. You have learned from your mistakes and grown from your experiences. Take a moment to acknowledge your strength and resilience. Celebrate how far you've come. Give yourself credit for all that you have accomplished. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you desire. It's time to rewrite your story. You are no longer the supporting character in someone else's narrative. You are the leading lady in your own life. Embrace your power. Step into the spotlight. The world is waiting to see what you will do next. Go forth and write a story that is bold, beautiful, and uniquely yours. Drop a comment below if this video resonates with you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more empowering content.